Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, November 5th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of business and corporate news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is Stonegate Capital Partners updates 3Q25 report on Gladstone Commercial Corp, Nasdaq. Good. Stonegate Capital Partners recently updated their 3Q25 report on Gladstone Commercial Corp. Good. During the quarter, Good maintained its disciplined portfolio management approach, ending with 151 properties across 27 states. The company executed its capital recycling strategy by selling a non-core property for $3.0 million and acquiring a fully occupied 6-facility portfolio for $54.8 million. Good reported strong operational fundamentals with a 99.1% occupancy rate and 100% cash rent collection. Quarterly results showed revenue of $40.8 million, FFO per share of 35, and AFFO per share of 0.9. The company continues to shift towards industrial properties, reducing exposure to office assets. Valuation methods suggest a range of $13.57 to $15.43 per share for Good.
Investor news breaks. Lahontan Gold Corp, SQLWays, engages National Inflation Association for Investor Relations and Communications Services. Lahontan Gold Corp, TSXXF, has engaged National Inflation Association for Investor Relations and Communications Services. The 6-month consulting agreement, effective July 16, 2025, involves a $50,000 payment and may be extended for up to 1 year. NIA, based in Mooresville, North Carolina, will utilize targeted email distribution, website features, and a blog network to enhance Lahontan's visibility. NIA and its affiliates hold 200,000 common shares of the company with no securities issued as compensation. Lahontan Gold Corp is a Canadian mine development and mineral exploration company with top-tier gold and silver exploration properties in Nevada. The flagship Santa Fe mine project has significant past production and mineral resources, and the company plans to advance the project towards production and update the preliminary economic assessment.
Western Star Resources announces acquisition of an option to acquire a past-producing tungsten project in Nevada. Western Star Resources Inc. has announced the acquisition of an option to acquire the past-producing Roland project in Nevada. The project boasts high-grade tungsten values, a road-accessible location, and significant exploration potential. With tungsten being a critical mineral for various industries, the acquisition aligns with U.S. government directives to secure domestic supply chains. The transaction details include a total consideration of CAD $60,000 and 1,000 common shares of Western Star Resources Inc. Western Star plans to conduct exploration activities to prepare the project for drilling early next year, positioning the company at the forefront of rebuilding domestic supply chains for critical minerals. Investor news breaks. BluSky AI Inc., OTCSAI, executes LOI to lease 5-acre site in Mulhall, Oklahoma for modular AI data center expansion. BluSky AI Inc., a developer of prefabricated modular AI infrastructure and GPU-as-a-service platforms, has signed a non-binding letter of intent to lease approximately 5 acres in Mulhall, Oklahoma for its modular data center expansion. The proposed 10-year lease includes performance-linked payments scaling with installed power capacity, reaching $30,000 monthly for 11 megawatts of active modules. CEO Trent D'Ambrosio highlighted the site's energy availability, community partnership, and location, supporting BluSky AI's mission to democratize access to AI compute in energy-rich regions. BluSky AI Inc. delivers modular data center infrastructure purpose-built for artificial intelligence, empowering partners to drive innovation without compromise. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
UBS analysts say the current correction in the gold market is temporary. UBS analysts have determined that the current correction in the gold market is temporary and primarily technical, with strong market fundamentals indicating an upcoming upward trend. The Swiss bank's bullish outlook on gold suggests that mining companies like Platinum Group Metals Limited can anticipate positive developments. Rocks and Stocks provides specialized insights into the mining industry, offering access to a wide network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications. For more information, visit rocksandstocks.news.
October EV sales collapse in the U.S. after subsidies end. Electric vehicle sales in the United States plummeted in October following the end of federal subsidies. After the $7,500 tax credit for clean vehicles expired on September 30th, EV market share dropped from over 12% in September to around 5% in October. This sharp decline underscores the industry's reliance on subsidies. As the market adjusts, EV brands like Bollinger Innovations OTC's BitDynai are now facing a new reality where electric vehicles must compete based on price and quality alone. The shift highlights the challenges ahead for manufacturers and buyers in the evolving EV landscape.
Ocumetics reports continued improvement in first group of patients. Early vision results surpass expectations. Ocumetics Technology Corp reports continued improvement in the first group of patients, with early vision results surpassing expectations. All Group 1 patients have completed their 1-month postoperative exams, showing corrected distance visual acuity ranging from 2032 to 2025. Dean Burns, president and CEO, expressed excitement over the visual outcomes, exceeding internal expectations. Dr. Doyle Stulting, chief medical officer, highlighted the remarkable achievement of 2032 or better vision soon after surgery. The Ocumetics lens performed as designed, providing safe implantation and strong optical performance. Planning for Group 2 surgeries is underway, with a focus on maintaining momentum as they advance to the next patient groups. Ocumetics Technology Corp aims to transform the field of ophthalmology with state-of-the-art intraocular lenses and other vision-enhancing technologies.
Angkor Resources identifies third drill prospect on Block VT oil and gas license, Cambodia. Angkor Resources Corp has identified a third drill prospect on its Block VT oil and gas license in Cambodia. The North Bokor seismic program confirmed a third anticlinal dome structure, adding to the potential drilling targets in the area. This discovery marks a significant step towards defining Cambodia's first onshore hydrocarbon resource. The North Bokor structure, located at shallower depths compared to other structures in the region, is believed to be a closed anticline based on surrounding physical features. Enercam Resources Co., Cambodia Limited, a subsidiary of Angkor, is actively advancing oil and gas exploration activities in the region. The company is committed to environmental and social projects, including carbon capture and gas conservation initiatives. For more information, visit angkorresources.com.
NeuroOne receives 180-day extension from Nasdaq to regain minimum bid price compliance. NeuroOne Medical Technologies Corporation has been granted a 180-day extension by Nasdaq to regain compliance with the minimum bid price requirement. The extension until May 4, 2026, allows the company to maintain a minimum bid price of $1 per share for continued listing on the Nasdaq Capital Market. NeuroOne has not yet regained compliance, but intends to do so within the extension period. Failure to meet the requirement could result in delisting, with the option to appeal to a Nasdaq hearing panel. NeuroOne is focused on developing minimally invasive solutions for neurological disorders to improve patient outcomes and reduce procedural costs.
Noble Minerals acquires a rare earth property in northern Quebec. Noble Mineral Exploration Inc. has acquired 90 mining claims on a rare earth prospect in northern Quebec. The Mehmet property, located 163 kilometers east of Schefferville, covers approximately 4,465 hectares. The property is classified as an hyperalkaline rock with rare metals, including allanite crystals and allanite-filled microfractures. Rock analyses show high levels of rare earth elements, zirconium, neodymium, yttrium, thorium, and niobium. This acquisition demonstrates Noble's commitment to exploring critical minerals in Canada. Wayne Homestead, a qualified person, has reviewed and approved the technical information. Noble Mineral Exploration Inc. is a Canadian-based junior exploration company with interests in various mineral rights across northern Ontario and Quebec. Peach Pay is now part of Convesio, powering the launch of Convesio Pay, an all-in-one payments and checkout platform for online businesses. Convesio has announced that Peach Pay is now part of the company, with the Peach Pay team joining Convesio to power the launch of Convesio Pay, an all-in-one payments and checkout platform for online businesses. This collaboration allows Convesio to serve over 10,000 sites and evolve into a fintech-driven commerce platform. By integrating Peach Pay's all-in-one payments and checkout experience, Convesio Pay enables merchants to connect more payment methods, manage payments in one dashboard, and improve their checkout process to boost sales. With Convesio now operating as a payment facilitator, the company can support merchants across the entire payment lifecycle, while Peach Pay enhances the front-end payment experience. This partnership aims to simplify payments for customers, allowing them to focus on product development, customer service, and revenue growth. Everflow fuels Inflection's AI personalization engine to help customers deliver more conversions and automation at scale. Everflow, the leading partner marketing platform, recently announced its strategic investment in Inflection, a performance marketing technology company. This investment will accelerate Inflection's rollout of next-generation AI innovations, enhancing real-time funnel personalization technology. By aligning brand creative with each influencer's content, audience interests, and behavior, Inflection drives higher conversions, with brands seeing up to a 200% increase. The platform's AI-powered optimization, mass scalability, and audience intelligence offer key advantages, making performance marketing more efficient and scalable. This collaboration aims to reshape how partnerships can drive growth, combining advanced tracking technology, automation, and audience intelligence to empower brands to succeed. KAGED ignites category innovation with Pre-Workout Max. KAGED has introduced Pre-Workout Max, a groundbreaking formula for serious athletes. Available in blue raspberry and watermelon flavors, it features max catalyst absorption technology, trypsin beta-alanine, creatine monohydrate, and L-citrulline for strength, energy, and endurance. With no crash, jitters, or tingling discomfort, it offers smoother absorption and cleaner energy. KAGED is known for science-driven innovation and quality, delivering elite-grade supplements. The Vitamin Shop is the exclusive retailer for Pre-Workout Max, with a national rollout planned for 2026. This launch is one of the most anticipated category expansions of the year, promising a redefined experience in performance nutrition.
Stell awarded Space RCO contract to deploy software for rapid systems integration. Stell Engineering Inc. has been awarded a $5.8 million contract with the Space Rapid Capabilities Office, Space RCO, to enhance and deploy advanced systems integration software. Over 24 months, Stell will tailor the software for Space RCO's rapid deliveries, improving system requirements management. The contract aims to integrate hardware, software, and firmware interfaces for evolving missions. Stell will also enhance cybersecurity and infrastructure work at the controlled unclassified information level. This Phase 3 contract follows a successful Phase 2 SBIR contract won in 2024, supporting Space Systems Command. Stell's mission is to ensure the U.S. maintains capability dominance by driving speed and technical execution in complex system engineering. Brutal survival competition after nuclear catastrophe. Strategy board game Survive Nuclear Apocalypse launches globally on Kickstarter. Board Collie Games, a studio specializing in strategic board games, is launching its survival strategy board game Survive Nuclear Apocalypse on Kickstarter. This 30-minute game challenges players to make choices that determine their fate in a post-nuclear world. With 160 cards and custom dice, players must navigate alliances, resource management, and the threat of radiation to survive. The Kickstarter campaign offers stretch goals for new cards and scenarios based on backer participation, enhancing gameplay. Survive Nuclear Apocalypse promises intense strategic tension in quick, replayable sessions, appealing to both casual and experienced gamers. Backers can expect special perks on launch day, with plans for future collaborations and theme-based series.
Bhavik Sarkady and Sahil Gandhi release eBook, Become Someone from NeuroOne on Building Personal Branding and Professional Identity. Bhavik Sarkady and Sahil Gandhi, co-founders of Ohh My Brand, have released a new ebook titled Become Someone from NeuroOne. The publication offers a structured approach to personal branding, digital visibility, and self-positioning for individuals looking to enhance their professional presence. It emphasizes the importance of clarity, authenticity, and consistency in building a personal brand. The ebook includes practical models, templates, and exercises to help readers apply the concepts to their own careers. Designed for a wide professional audience, the book addresses the needs of students, entrepreneurs, consultants, HR professionals, freelancers, and creators. Bhavik Sarkady and Sahil Gandhi, known as Brand Professor, lead Ohh My Brand, a global personal branding agency and content strategy firm focused on helping individuals and organizations establish credible digital identities.
SunKnowledge redefines virtual medical assistant services across the nation. SunKnowledge has redefined virtual medical assistant services, offering tailored support for healthcare providers nationwide. With decades of experience, SunKnowledge's virtual assistants are trained in medical terminology, payer requirements, and communication etiquette. Their end-to-end service portfolio includes specialized healthcare expertise, customized solutions, 24/7 global support, cost efficiency, and scalability. SunKnowledge ensures HIPAA-compliant operations, delivering accuracy, timeliness, and compassion. Leading healthcare brands trust SunKnowledge for increased productivity, reduced overhead costs, improved patient communication, and error-free documentation. Clients report up to 95% improvement in operational efficiency. As the demand for virtual medical assistance rises, SunKnowledge leads the revolution with human intelligence and technology-driven efficiency, setting new benchmarks in healthcare support.
Ispirer Systems announces new web-based SQLWays platform to streamline database migration. Ispirer Systems has announced the launch of its redesigned web-based SQLWays platform, aimed at simplifying the database migration process. The new version offers a flexible web interface with enhanced project management and code handling capabilities. Key features include centralized project management, simplified project setup, integrated code editor, detailed status tracking, and intuitive configuration. This redesign focuses on user experience and project control, allowing users to manage every stage of their project with greater clarity and control. The new SQLWays platform eliminates the need for external tools, empowering users to configure advanced settings confidently. The web-based tool is now available on the Ispirer website. Fisher Marketing Services LLC adds business development specialist Christopher Fisher to support agency growth. Fisher Marketing Services LLC proudly announces the addition of Christopher Fisher as their new business development specialist. In this role, Christopher will lead business development initiatives for both the agency and its client law firms, connecting strategic marketing leadership with relationship-based outreach. With a background in operations, sales, and leadership, Christopher brings a client-focused approach to strengthen referral partnerships, increase visibility, and generate new growth opportunities. Working alongside founder and CEO Julie Fisher, he will design and implement strategies to optimize sales processes and deliver high-level performance goals. Christopher's presence marks a significant milestone for the agency, enhancing the value provided to every client served. As business development specialist, he will lead strategic planning sessions, event coordination, and remote business development campaigns, while also coaching law firm intake roles to impact lead follow-up and client journey experiences. Fisher Marketing Services LLC, a family-led fractional CMO agency, offers high-quality marketing leadership and business development expertise with a partnership-driven approach for small to mid-sized law firms nationwide.
Knowband marks continued success with 50,000 plus global e-commerce businesses. Knowband, a trusted innovator in e-commerce solutions, has seen continued success with over 50,000 global e-commerce businesses using their PrestaShop mobile app builder add-on. Their mission to simplify e-commerce processes has led to the development of optimized modules for platforms like PrestaShop, OpenCart, Magento, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Knowband's people-first business strategy fosters collaboration and creativity, making e-commerce accessible for everyone. The mobile app builder allows store owners to create Android and iOS apps without coding, with features like real-time updates, push notifications, and GDPR compliance. With a focus on customer satisfaction and innovation, Knowband continues to lead in providing reliable e-commerce solutions worldwide.
Innovotech Inc. reports record revenue for its third quarter. Innovotech Inc. reported record revenues in the third quarter of 2025, totaling $1,267,692, with a net income of $92,945. Year-to-date revenues reached $3,410,204. Factors driving revenue growth include increased demand for antimicrobial contract research services, strong performance from subsidiary Keystone Labs, and higher product sales. CEO Craig Milne stated that the company is laying the groundwork for continued expansion. Innovotech Inc. is a Canadian technology company with specialized laboratory services, biotechnology businesses, and proprietary intellectual property. Subsidiaries include Innovotech Labs Corporation, Keystone Labs Inc., and Now Life Sciences Inc. The company cautions that forward-looking statements are subject to risks and uncertainties that could impact actual results.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.